Hey guys, if you are wondering about CBD, how to use it, what is it good for, you have to watch this ultimate guide to CBD in 2020.
Hey guys, it's Claudia
And Matt,
founders at Leaf Royale. And you might be thinking, why should you watch this video, how to take CBD? Well, for the past few weeks, we've been traveling and asking our customers here in Coachella Valley while we do personal deliveries, how and why do they take it? And we gathered all the information and some surprisingly new uses into this video.
we put everything we found out together into this video. That's why we call it the ultimate guide to CBD in 2020. And if you are wondering if CBD is for you or not, you need to watch this video. And let's start with the first implementation, first way of CBD usage.
But before you watch it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Oh, my headache. The most popular way of taking CBD is sublingually. So you take your dosage. Our tinctures, the droppers are marked, so you know how much of CBD you're taking every time. And it's also perfect because that's how you know what's your perfect dosage. So I put it under my tongue for about 15 to 20 seconds and then I swallow it. And after 15 to 20 minutes, I feel relaxed and I feel that my headache is gone.
The next way to take CBD, as you could see in the video before that, is to put it on the area that is affected by inflammation. A lot of people have problems with the inflammation on their face, and that is why I took CBD, which is pure CBD oil, full spectrum CBD. I put it on my face and it always gives me that inflammation relief. And also, we actually found it from our customer who started doing that, and her face literally changed. Her face was so inflamed, she was suffering from it. As you know how it lowers your self-esteem and your confidence, right? And I suffer from it too. That's why I take CBD on my face, and if it's working, then I know that it's thanks to CBD, because in that product you can find MCT oil to metabolize cannabidiol faster. You can find extract, CBD extract, and sweetener. So that's pretty much it, and it tastes delicious, and if you put it on your face, you will not get any discomfort.
CBD helps you with your sleep, with your anxiety, stress, and your pain. The best way, as I mentioned before, is take it sublingually because it has the best bioavailability. And what is bioavailability?
It means that your body can make the most use out of CBD if you place it under your tongue and you hold it there for 10 to 40, 50 seconds, up to 60 seconds. And after 30 to 60 minutes, you will feel the benefits of it. And please do not confuse those benefits with the euphoria or the high feeling associated usually with THC.
Exactly. Thanks, Matt, for explaining that to us.
If you have any further question, reach out to us via the comments. We're gonna respond to them. You can email us or hang out with us on Instagram. We are there daily.
Yeah.
I will leave all the information down below in the video description.
And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
See you in the next one.
Bye.